Minexa handles the entire extraction workflow automatically, from rendering JavaScript-heavy pages to pagination and structured data extraction at scale, making scraping job listings effortless. Browse to the page you want to extract. Minexa works across any public URL, from simple directories to complex platforms with changing layouts. Launch Minexa, one simple panel to go from web page to structured data instantly. Hit the button so Minexa can separate the main content from surrounding elements like headers, sidebars, and footers. Your data does not stop at the first page. Minexa detected the pagination and collects everything automatically. Select whether to scrape only what is visible on the list or also navigate into each row and extract its full detail page. Start with Continue. Switch to Advanced mode when the page needs an interaction to reveal the data you want. The highlighted block is the section Minexa identified, confirming it ensures every future extraction stays within the right part of the page and ignores everything else. Every field is detected and structured. Text, links, images, and nested data are all ready. You can choose job titles, locations, companies, dates, and more to extract complete job listing details. Click API Request to see how the scraper handles pages that look different. The code will return a clear error instead of extracting wrong data. Reuse it as many times as you want. Click Complete Configuration to save this scraper for any similar page. Your scraper is set to go beyond page 1. All pages will be collected automatically on every run. Your job is one click away. If you want results in Google Sheets automatically, connect it here before confirming. Click Run, and extraction starts. Dynamic content, lazy loaded sections, and client-rendered pages are handled automatically. Every column you see here is tied to a fixed point on the page. Unlike AI-based scrapers that guess where data lives, similar-looking values like job titles, company names, locations, and dates never get confused, even across thousands of rows. Click Export to download the output. The structure stays identical, whether you ran this manually or through automation. No proxies, no browser automation, no infrastructure. Minexa handles everything so you never have to build a scraping stack.